So I have a lot of machines in our shop. This was the fastest one we've ever installed and pretty amazing. Brad came out for a half a day. We went through all of our different productions and had all the doors sanding perfectly. So it's pretty amazing to have a machine that can get set up and get making you money that quickly. I'm standing here in front of our Cosmo sanding robot and just want to say first how grateful we are to Stolbeck for getting us this machine. You know, we did a lot of research before we bought it. We looked at a number of different solutions and decided that we were going to give Cosmo a try. We are really grateful for Cosmo. We're grateful for Brad and their technicians that have helped train us, but once it's dialed in, it's incredible. You know, our doors are coming out fantastic. We have sanded some great doors, primed them, they look fantastic. You know, we're doing hardwood doors, MDF doors, veneer doors, and all of it is sanding great through Cosmo. So anyway, we appreciate Stolbeck, appreciate Brad and his team training us and helping us, and highly recommend Cosmo.